Hey guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to do a unbox this portable oral irrigator. And again, if you're in my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you guys. Again, I have here a oral irrigator. And again, we're going to do unbox this and what's in a box. So again, this is a capacity of 250 mils of the reservoir. And again, this is about 30 to 120 psi pressure, the water pressure. So again, let's go. We're gonna start the unbox here. We'll see what's in the box, okay? Yeah. I don't know. It's so hard. Okay, there you go. This is an exciting moment when you open something. Okay, there you go. There you go. Ooh, wow. Oops. So what's in the box? They have the manual here. They have, just put it on the side. Okay, let's put it there. And then this is the tips that you need to put it in. And then here's the USB-C charger, because this is a chargeable unit. I'm so excited to use this one, but again, yeah, so it comes with this, and all you have to do is to plug here your USB-C. You can plug it in if it's low battery. Okay, so it's a good thing. And I have to put back, and then so here's what you put your water on this reservoir, and this is about 250 mils of water inside. Okay, there you go. There you go. So I don't know. So there's no battery yet because it's a brand new, but these are the tips, I think, that we're going to use. There you go. So again, you just use this one, put it here somewhere, and then that's the one. There you go. So if there's a charge here, so we can put this tip on your mouth and then just close it, and then it will flush your whatever in your mouth is. But again, this is really good one, guys. This is about to release this. You just press this button, and then it will release right away. And again, if there's lots of tips that you can use here, if in case you're gonna be run out or damaged or whatever. So what you have to do is to put again this and then done. So you hear that there's a click, and all you have to do is to press that one, press this button, and then it will be released. So yeah, that's about it. And yeah, see, hear that? There's a click. So again, guys, this is about $20. I just got this one in Facebook Market, and I just want to try just to practice, and then by the time I'm going to be a pro of this, then I'm going to buy a little bit expensive one. Okay, so but again, this is a good one, just for when you go somewhere or something, so at least you have this, and then all you have to do is to bring this at work if you want to. So again, instead of putting here all the time, you can close it and then put the tips on this container, and then you can put it in your bag, put it on your lunch bag, whatever. So yeah, again, all you have to do is to put this one in. There you go. So it's gonna be easy. Actually, all you have to do is to remove this and then open this small container where the tips are, and then put it in. There you go. Put it that way, and then yeah. So I'm gonna try to charge this, and then hopefully I can attach the video of how it works, and then we're gonna try it again. So yeah, there's no battery here. I need to charge it a little bit, and then so we can try it. But again, there's no more special much on this. There's no special that you need to special function, whatever. But they have here normal, pulse, brace, pause. So again, all you have to do is to twist this one, and then after you twisted, there's a lock and unlock here. So all you have to do is to click that way, put some water on, and then put it back, and then turn it. That's it. So again, it's gonna be easy, very neat. I'm gonna try. I'm so excited to use this one because I need it for my bridge. So that's why I want to practice this one. It's $20. Why not? So, and then if I'm gonna be a pro, I'm gonna get a little bit expensive. But again, this is a really good one. For the $20, whatever happened with this, for how many usage, then But again, this one here, we're gonna open this. What is in here? So we're gonna see. I think it's gonna be the same actually. So what happened is that a replacement. There's another 2 tips here for replacement of the one that they have it on the package here. So basically you have 4 tips that you can use this one, and then yeah, I think it's very straightforward. And again, portable water flosser. So I think this is better than using the floss, because floss can damage your teeth, but this one here, you just flush it, then it's gonna be nice probably. So the only thing here is that practice, and then after that, if you know how to use it, then you're gonna be pro how to use this water flosser. There you go. So but anyway guys, again I got lots of videos in this channel. I hope you can take a look my videos. I have lots of unboxing here. Maybe you like it or something. And again, if you're not yet subscribing, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on this channel. And also you can share this video, or you can share my other videos to your social media platform. So but again guys, thank you again for watching. This is NoyTebs. God bless and a wonderful day.